Clean drinking water is at the heart of a healthy community. In Washington, D.C., USA, hundreds of thousands of residents and businesses, millions of annual visitors, and dozens of key government facilities rely on D.C. water for this fundamental resource.
So there's a tremendous responsibility from an organizational perspective to deliver those services, but also deliver them in a safe, reliable manner and at a reasonable cost.
But in 2014, DC Water was inundated with IT projects, and most were late, over budget, or delivering poor results. To get its teams on track, the utility launched an IT PMO. One of its first tasks was to create a process for prioritizing projects, connecting IT opportunities to real-world business outcomes.
We work at the luxury of the business itself. We're not here to simply deliver technology. We're here to deliver technology that solves a business problem.
From mobile work management to next-gen maintenance, the PMO uses innovation to boost DC Water's bottom line. For example, an AI-based tool called Pipe Sleuth taps into a deep learning neural network model to locate sewer pipe defects. It doesn't just eliminate the risk of human error. It has reduced the cost of scanning and coding flaws by roughly 75%.
That saved us a lot of hours of people actually sitting down and reviewing those videos, and now we can actually use them to respond to other emergencies.
The PMO has also changed the utility's approach to cutting costs. In 2015, DC Water's operational costs were increasing by 6% annually. When senior leaders asked how IT could help bring that number down, the PMO accelerated the utility's digital transformation and moved its operations to the cloud.
The whole intent was to reduce the operational cost, and instead of 2%, we reduced the operational cost by 6%. That's almost $2 million reduction per year.
Moving to the cloud also prepared DC Water for the extreme disruption caused by COVID-19.
Message to residents of DC and this region and visitors continues to be to stay at home.
When quarantine orders kicked in, it took the PMO only a few days to ensure that all office and administrative employees were able to work from home.
We didn't prepare for COVID, but we were well prepared for a situation like COVID.
It's not all about reducing overhead. The PMO's innovations also ensure a clean, safe water supply. For example, using Internet of Things technology, DC Water and industrial automation company Grey Matter developed a device that monitors the water quality in public drinking fountains and turns them off when readings hit a certain level. With a grant from the Elon Musk Foundation, DC Water is working with its partners to install 115 fountains in Flint, Michigan, USA.
We've deployed it in the Flint school system. We've deployed it in the DC school system. And a lot of jurisdictions are actually looking to us as a model and are buying from us. So this is another revenue stream for us.
Between 2014 and 2019, the PMO helped elevate DC Water's on-time, on-budget delivery rate from 35% to 80%, all while delivering big-budget infrastructure megaprojects. And the more efficient the utility becomes, the better it can deliver on its mission to provide the capital city with access to clean, safe water.
We don't have a whole lot of discretionary funding available to us because we are a water utility. We are ratepayer funded. We are not for profit. So we've got to be really careful with the dollars that we spend. So it's important that we achieve the results and the benefits from the investments that we make. And that's what the PMO helps us do.